If you want to learn how to reduce the font size of a text or a word in Google Document, then this video tutorial is for you. So I am on the Google Documents canvas and it has productive boldly written, right? And as you can see, the font size of this productive is 67. So I want to take it back to something smaller, right? Let's say 24. But the first thing I want to do is to highlight the productive text. I'm just going to highlight it, and I would come to this icon, the negative or the minus icon. It says decrease font size. So I'm just going to click on it. I will continue to click until it is 24. And as you can see, the text has started to decrease in size. So now it's 24 now. This is basically how you reduce the font size of a text in Google Document. Another way you could do this is, let's say we have 100, right? This text is at 100, as you can see it right now. So another way you can reduce the font size is to firstly highlight the text that you want to reduce its font size, then come into this box, it says 100, then click on it, right? Once you click on it, you can select whatever font size that you want from this drop down, or you can manually type it. So the first one is, I'm just going to select 24, and it has taken the text back to 24. So another method you can do is, let's take it back to 100, right? And you want to take this text back to 24. So what you can do is to just come here, over on it, and just type it manually, 24, and click enter. Once you do that, and to take the text right back to 24. This is basically how you reduce the font size of a text in Google Document. If you find this tutorial helpful, ensure you subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next episode. Thank you.